Hello, hello, and welcome to another lesson. Today we are drawing a rocket pop for the 4th of July, so you can follow along with the picture on the left. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the top of the popsicle. For that, we're just going to draw a U shape, kind of coming out on the ends there. Then we're going to draw a dot down at the end of the popsicle. This is going to help us get each side hopefully even. Just come down and around, and then there's little ridges at the bottom of the popsicle, so we'll just draw one more here, draw one there, then we're going to come down this way, same thing, just come straight down. Alright, so we should have something like that right there. Then we're going to draw his face in the center. Just draw two eyes, just large ovals right next to each other. And give him a big smile. So just draw a U shape. Then we'll draw a little curve shape here on the end for his mouth. And then just draw another U shape for the bottom of the mouth. There's a little arch there for the tongue. And put a little lip line. We'll add his eyes here. Let's do an oval with the little one for reflection. Another oval. And reflection. And then this is a 3-colored popsicle, so we'll draw a line for the first color, which is red. Just come straight across about the top of his eyes. We'll do another one like right at the bottom of his mouth. So white in the center and then blue at the bottom. And then rocket pops have little ridges in them. So we're just going to draw some accent lines here. Let's come down like that. Do another one on this side here. One in the center. And then come down and do one at the bottom left. One in the center here, another one in the bottom left, or excuse me, bottom right, and then we will draw the popsicle stick. Just come down, draw a curve at the end and bring it back up, and then we'll draw some little lines in the stick here to make it look like a wooden stick. Alright, and there you have it. There is a simple, quick popsicle rocket. Now we go ahead and add some color to it. Alright, and there it is. There is our finished 4th of July popsicle. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and we hope you have a happy and safe 4th of July, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.